if people are not already seeing this, they should definitely see this.
It's really cool. Like, we were literally just walking down the street and then we saw people with their headphones and watching. We didn't know what to expect at all.
It was drifting between like a lot of genres, spoken word. The music was very interesting, the messaging, all the different street art and the symbolism. Yeah, one of a kind thing to experience. Yeah, absolutely.
You felt like you were taken on a journey.
Yeah, it was cool. I enjoyed it.
I really enjoyed it.
Really enjoyed it.
Great.
Mae'n gret I gael rhywbeth fel hwn, fel rhywbeth operatig yng nghanol beth sy'n digwydd ar Focus Wales. Weithiau, os chi'n siarad efo lot o bobl, chi angen bach o saib, ac i gael rhywbeth really lliwgar a hyfryd, just yng nghanol y bwrlwg mewn gyd, yn hyfryd.
It was amazing. I didn't expect that. It was like living a movie while you're watching a movie, because you're in the middle of reality, but you're watching the story unfold. I feel like we were like in a bubble and seeing everyone is moving in front of you, and the story moves our heart. It's amazing. I almost burst my teeth.
The immediate word that came was phenomenal. All aspects of it, from the words to the visuals to the collaboration to the sonics, everything had a beautiful cohesion and a conversation that was really, really flourishing, and being able to create something that we can be immersed in while walking through the centre. So that was incredible, and I think more, if people are not already seeing this, they should definitely see it. And our children as well. I think they need to see all these various languages, because there was Arabic that was coming across in there was Welsh was coming across, and there's English, but all of them being amalgamated into this phenomenal piece.
Sent me a picture of the setup, and I was like, oh, that is the wall, that's the perfect location for it, and that's what it was in my mind when we were talking about projecting it. So yeah, it was really, really nice to see it. Yeah.